Browsing the eUnit Catalogue. First, log in to avenue.ca. To access the course builder, click on the Resources link on the main portal page. A drop-down appears. In the drop-down menu, click the Course Builder option to open the eUnit Catalogue. The eUnit Catalogue displays available eUnits as cards. Use the search box to find eUnits by keywords. Type the keyword in the search box and click on the Search button. Scroll down the page to see all the available eUnits with that keyword. Remember, there are multiple pages at times. Click on the chevron icons to move forward and back through the pages. To return to the main Course Builder page, click on the Course Builder in the Breadcrumbs navigation menu. There are also filters to restrict the eUnit shown by themes or categories, and by CLB level. Multiple filters can be used simultaneously to make it easier to find appropriate eUnits. In this example, the filter Employment and CLB4 have been selected. On each eUnit card, the theme appears at the top, followed by an image that complements the unit, the name of the eUnit, the target CLB level, other CLB levels it is suitable for, and the name of the organization that developed the eUnit. There are 3 buttons at the bottom of each eUnit card. The leftmost button, the plus icon, pins or selects an eUnit for a Course Builder request. When clicked, it changes to a trash can icon so you can unpin the eUnit. The second button at the bottom of the eUnit card is the Preview eUnit icon. Clicking on the Preview eUnit icon displays the eUnit preview in a pop-up window. Teachers can view the content and even try the activities. Clicking on an activity or resource in the Preview pop-up will open it so you can try it or see it. When you are finished, click on the Restart eUnit button to return to the eUnit preview. Or click on the Close button to close the Preview pop-up window. The View Details icon at the bottom of the eUnit card opens a page with more information about the eUnit that includes the eUnit description, the learning outcomes, the theme it relates to, the target CLB level, other CLB levels the eUnit is suitable for, and the developing organization. There is also a button to preview the eUnit. To return to the main eUnit Catalog page, click the breadcrumb link at the top of the page.